Hey everyone, welcome back to MedCare by Academically. My name is Jaspreet and this is the one-stop solution to healthcare opportunities worldwide. If you're looking for a healthcare professional and other opportunities abroad, then hit that bell icon because when we bring you opportunities, we can help you get them in just a few clicks and of course with our prep courses. Today, let's talk about how to practice optometry in Australia, the step-by-step process from clearing the OCANZ COE exam to getting registered, finding a job and also securing your visa. Now, let's get started. Step 1 is to check your qualifications. First, you need to have the right educational qualifications, of course, which means you should have either a 4-year degree in optometry or a 3-year degree plus 1 year of supervised clinical experience. If you've got that, you're good to go. Step 2 is to apply for skills assessment by OCANZ. The OCANZ will look at your education, training and experience to see if it meets the Australian standards. It's always a good idea to start collecting your documents early, like your transcripts and course descriptions, so that there are no delays later. Later on comes step number 3. Take the OCANZ COE exam. This exam tests both your theoretical and clinical skills, and it's got 3 parts. The written exam consists of clinical science examination, a 3-hour multiple choice test and diagnosis and management. Number 2 is the cultural safety course, a short online course that you take after the written part. Third is the practical exam. It consists of skills station examination and patient examination. To pass these exams on the first attempt, the choice would be to enroll in a good prep course, and Academically's OCANZ preparation course can help you there. Now step number 4, prove your English language skills. You'll need to show proof of English proficiency with one of these: IELTS, OET and PTE. Make sure that your scores meet the requirements set by the Optometry Board of Australia. Then comes step number 5, the one that you had been waiting for: register as an optometrist in Australia. Once you pass the COE exam and meet all the requirements, you can officially register with the Optometry Board of Australia, which means you are now legally allowed to work as an optometrist there. Now, step number 6 is to choose the right visa, like we promised to tell you. Now, here are some skilled visa options that you can explore: subclass 189, independent skilled visa; subclass 190, state nominated; subclass 491, regional visa, and a few others like 485, 407, 482 or 494. Some of these even open the doors to permanent residency. And that's it. From checking your eligibility to getting a skilled visa, these are the steps that you'll need to follow to build your optometry career in Australia. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to MedCare by Academically for more helpful videos like this one. Take care.